Welcome back to the channel. Hello everybody, I'm Joyce Alexandra. I hope you're all doing good. If you're looking for something easy and doesn't take several different steps, as a beginner, this video is for you. I'll be sharing soft glam look in this video. Let's begin. To hydrate my skin, I'm spraying rose water. These days it's easy to compare yourself based on looks or social media status and then feel horrible. But stop. You are beautifully and wonderfully made by the creator. To moisturize my face, I'm using Dr. Ashiel's vitamin C cream and massaging it into my skin. Use moisturizers according to your skin type. If you're oily, use water-based moisturizers. If you have dry skin, use oil-based moisturizers. Then I'm using my favorite lasting finish primer by Rimmel. It does not dries out your skin, however it gives you dewy base. I like to apply this on my cheeks, nose and little bit on chin and forehead. Highlighter is by Glazana. It's super affordable and gives you really natural glow. It does not feel sticky on the skin. If you have oily skin like me, just apply on cheeks, a little bit on chin and the bridge of the nose. For foundation, using Miss Rose Purely Natural Foundation in the shade Beige 3. It gives pretty good coverage. To avoid any cakiness, I like to spread foundation all over my face and neck with this little flat brush, then blend it with damp beauty blender. To avoid any harsh lines and patches, blending is key. Concealer is by Miss Rose. I'm in the shade Beige 2. Then applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose and chin to achieve highlighted effect. To give my face some dimensions, I'm using Cream Contour by Makeup Revolution and applying on forehead, cheeks, jawline and nose. To lift up my cheeks, I'm blending upwards, and to sharpen up my jawline, I'm blending downwards. Setting everything in place with setting powder. Wherever I applied cream contour, I'm setting that with powder contour. To contour my nose, I'm using this angled brush. For brows, I use powder because I already have thick brows. Then I'm going to apply blush on my cheeks and a little bit on nose. Coming to the eyes, apply this brown shadow to the outer corner of the crease and blend towards the inner brow bone. Blend until there's no harshness left. Taking this highlighting shade from Urban Decay Naked Palette and applying onto all over my lid. Also with same shadow, I'm highlighting my brow bone. Curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of mascara on the upper lashes. Highlighter is by Gosh. I don't know how it is pronounced, but this product is amazing. Taking this pinkish highlighter from the palette and applying it onto my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow and inner corners of my eyes. Applying mascara to my lower lashes. Lining my lips with this brown lip liner. Then applying this lipstick in the shade Orchid and topping it up with the shade Blossom. Lining my inner waterline with black eye pencil, also smudging the outer corners to create a soft cat eye look. Hit the subscribe button for more such videos.